What if I told you don't need to fly like a pro this year? I secretly tested cheap drones and only made the cut, but hey race, the scary part, one of these is so powerful it's actually banned in countries. Stay till the end because number 1, why make you return your Amazon order? Lels fly. Starting at number 1. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S's twin-lens camera system makes it one of the most versatile drones in its price class for video and photography. Its quad-Bayer camera system features a wide-angle lens for landscapes, plus a short telephoto lens that's good for inspections and real estate, both of which record stunning 10-bit video in SDR, HDR, or D-Log, and snap stills in JPG or DNG format. It's safe for beginners thanks to its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, 45-minute battery life, and automated quick-shot flight paths. Pros can use it too, as it includes remote ID and waypoint support. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration, but easily stows in a small shoulder bag so you can take it on location. Content creators, the Air 3S records at up to 4K 60 and delivers excellent picture quality for stills and video, more than enough to get great video for YouTube, social media, and even indie film projects. It's easy to fly, too, and includes all-around obstacle sensors so you can concentrate on your camera work without worrying about crashing into a tree. Wedding pros, landscape artists, real estate photographers, if you use a drone to put food on the table, the Air 3S is a worthy investment. Its wide-angle lens captures epic landscapes and sunset shots, while the telephoto is handy for real estate photography. Wedding videographers can use it to add value to a package, as it's a great tool for getting an overhead view of an outdoor ceremony, while keeping the drone far enough away from guests as not to intrude on the festivities. Industrial and home inspections. The short telephoto lens is uncommon among drones and is a good option for pros who use drones to inspect homes, roofs, bridges, and other infrastructure. It lets you get a tight, detailed view of an object with up to 50 MP resolution. Number 2. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the perfect choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. The drone has a 249g takeoff weight, so it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA and includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safe flight. The Flip includes a remote control in its basic configuration, but it can also be controlled using a smartphone app or on-aircraft controls. Camera quality is top-notch, too. The drone keeps pace with flagship smartphones, offering excellent 4K 60 video in RAW or JPG stills at your choice of 12MP or 48MP resolution. Beginners, the DJI Flip is our favorite drone for beginners. It weighs 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and includes integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to help you avoid accidents. Photo and video quality are excellent. The Flip takes photos at 12MP or 48MP resolution and records stabilized 4K 60 video with 10-bit color. Photo and video experts, the Flip's camera supports the DNG photo format so you can capture raw images and give your aerial photos a creative look in the editing room, and it has a flat D-Log M video profile that serves as a neutral standpoint for video editors who want to be able to adjust color and exposure. Recreational flyers. The Flip's lightweight build means that you don't have to register it with the FAA prior to flight, making it a good choice for anyone who flies drones for fun or as a hobby. It does not include remote ID broadcast, however, so it is not suitable for anyone who earns money from flying drones. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most capable ultralight drones on the market, only surpassed by the newer Mini 5 Pro. It weighs just 249g with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, which extends flight time beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. I especially like the APAS function, which helps the drone navigate complex spaces on its own, even at low altitudes. Content creators, the Mini 4 Pro's dual-aspect camera rotates and swaps between widescreen and vertical formats, making it an ideal drone for content creators who want to capture video for both a YouTube channel and a TikTok or Instagram Reels feed. It's exceptionally easy and safe to fly, too, so you don't have to be an expert to get good results. Beginners, I recommend the Mini 4 Pro for newbies because it includes 360-degree obstacle sensors, a long-lasting battery, and doesn't require FAA registration. It gives you some room to grow, too, as its video engine is good enough to satisfy expert-level editors, and it has remote ID when used with its extended run battery, so you can keep going if you opt to get your FAA certificate. Licensed pilots, drone owners who hold an FAA certificate can use the Mini 4 Pro, but with one caveat: they must use the extended life battery to enable its remote ID broadcast. That's not a huge bar to clear, though, so don't count out the Mini 4 Pro if you want a lightweight drone for real estate, weddings, or other paid gigs. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent, supporting 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as a 60-degree upward tilt. The photo quality is good, too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration, you just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also appreciate the 38-minute flight times. Although we wish DJI had incorporated obstacle detection into this model. Recreational flyers, the Mini 3 weighs just 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and is a good choice for drone pilots who fly for fun. Its safety features include an integrated GPS that keeps the Mini 3 steady in the air and supports a return-to-home function, although note that it omits optical avoidance. Content creators, if you want to make videos for both YouTube and TikTok, the Mini 3 is a good choice. Its 4K 30 camera switches between widescreen and vertical aspects on the fly, so you can easily grab wide and tall clips during the same flight. Licensed pilots, the Mini 3 includes remote ID, making it suitable for pilots who earn a living with a drone and hold an FAA SUAS pilot certificate. If you have a monetized YouTube channel, make money from real estate photos, or offer drone footage as part of a wedding package, you should be licensed. Just note that you will need to purchase the extended 51-minute battery to access remote ID. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that DJI isn't the only brand capable of producing a good drone. The 249G quadcopter avoids registration requirements, captures high-quality video and still images, and includes the remote ID module required for professional use. It has a 4K 30 camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, steady video, and snaps stills at 12MP or 48MP resolution, with a RAW DNG option available for shutterbugs. It proved reliable in testing, featuring a long-lasting 32-minute flight battery and a dedicated remote control. Beginners, the Atom 2 is a good drone for beginners. Its camera captures good-looking photos and stabilized 4K 30 video, and its price is quite attractive, especially when you remember that it includes a remote control in the box. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so you'll need to take some care when flying near trees or buildings, but even so, the Atom 2 is a fine choice for your first drone. Recreational flyers, as long as you're flying as a hobby, you don't have to register the Atom 2 with the FAA since it weighs just 249g. Licensed pilots, the Atom 2 is one of the few 249G drones available with built-in remote ID, which means that it's appropriate for FAA SUAS license holders to use for real estate photography, monetized YouTube channels, stock footage sales, and other types of paid drone work. That's the list budget drones that won't break your bank or your spirit. Now hey, race the deal. All the links to buy these drones including the Alega one are waiting for you in the description below. If this video saved you money, do me a favor, smash that like button, share it with a friend who wants to fly, and subscribe so you never miss our next hidden gem. Safe and keep looking up.